I am Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're making a stone fruit crisp. I'm gonna say it's an Oklahoma stone fruit crisp because right now these fruits are really in season for us in the late summer months. So I have 2 plums, we're gonna use a peach and a nectarine. You can totally change this up depending on what fruits you have at your house or what you're finding at local farms. But we're just gonna slice these into really thin strips. You can dice them as well, but this is how I did it. So you just wanna get really thin strips like this of all of your fruits, and we'll put those in a bowl and go from there. Okay, so now that we have our fruit nice and thinly sliced, I'm gonna add a 1/3 cup of coconut sugar. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of arrowroot flour. This is like a starch, so you could use, if you don't have arrowroot, you could use potato starch or cornstarch or something like that, but this will just help thicken it up. So toss that in. I have a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and then I'm gonna do a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You could also do almond extract. That would be a really nice flavor profile for this if you have it. But then toss this all together. Just kind of get the fruit well coated with all of the coconut sugar and the arrowroot and the cinnamon. Gosh, that smells good. Yum. Okay. So now we have really nicely coated stone fruit. Now I'm going to put this in the bottom of my baking pan or baking dish of any type. So just toss that on there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use this same bowl to make my crisp topping. And then we'll put that on top and we'll be ready to bake. So now we have our fruit in our baking pan. I'm gonna make our crisp filling. So I have 1/2 cup of rolled oats. I have 1/2 cup of almond flour, 1/2 cup of oat flour, 1/2 cup of some diced walnuts, 1/2 cup of coconut sugar. Oh, it won't. It's kind of solidified a little bit on me. There we go. And then 1/2 cup of shaved almonds. So the fun thing about crisp is you can change any of this. You want the base to stay the same, like the oat flour, the almond flour, the coconut sugar. You can change the walnuts for pecans. You could take out the almonds completely if you wanted to. It's totally up to you. I have a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And then I have a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. So this will kind of help get it to all stay together. So let's go ahead and toss this up until it's well combined. Okay, so now we have this really pretty crisp topping. So I'm just going to kind of spread this out over our fresh fruit. Give yourself a nice crisp topping. The coconut sugar will melt. The coconut oil will kind of congeal it together to get that really nice pie filling that we all love without all of the nasty sugars and additives. So just kind of spread this out as evenly as you can. We're gonna go ahead and bake this at 350 for 60 minutes. You want the top to start to bubble on top. You'll see the liquid, and then you'll have a really nice crispy golden topping. Okay, so after 60 minutes, this is done and delicious. You are ready to serve. You can add some non-dairy, let's see, vanilla ice cream if you want to, or just eat it as is. I say it's best served warm. Be sure to subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and I'll talk to you soon.